help you to become more self-sufficient and save some coin for your treasure chest. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below, and if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified anytime a new video comes out. Again, these are tips. We want to help you out, and if you have any suggestions for us, put it in the comments section down below. Today we're going to give you kind of an overview of a refrigerator, things that can go wrong, and how you can fix them. We won't go in depth into any of the fixing. We'll have other videos for that. So this particular refrigerator is side-by-side freezer refrigerator. It has both water and ice. So one of the first things usually goes out on these things is the ice maker, and show you a couple of the things that happen. First of all, if it's not making ice, before you pull it out from behind the or from the wall, check right back up in here, right at the top of the ice tray. There's a little reservoir where the water comes in, and try and make sure, stick your finger in there, make sure that's not blocked up with ice. If it is, you can just take an ice pick and put it in there and pop it out. Now, if it does turn out that the ice maker has gone bad, then what you can do, we'll swing in there real quick. See, there's a screw under here, and then two screws up here on top. Now you'll notice in the back also, you can barely see it, but that's where it'll plug in. It's very easy to unplug that, and so you can change the ice maker, and it's a very inexpensive fix. The ice makers themselves don't cost that much. You just need to know the make and model number. Now the next thing is, if you're having any leaking, there's water coming out, it doesn't seem to be getting cold enough, then you want to check right back here. There are holes. And you want to make sure that these holes are not covered up like these are. Just make sure that anything that's in here is not in the way of these fins right here. All right, so now if you've checked all those other things and the ice maker's still not working, but you think it may be a water issue, then there's a couple more things you can check. So we come back behind here, and there will be a cover that's back here, and it'll usually have some screws. I've already taken the screws out. So you can see the water line is coming in right here, and it's attaching to two valves right there. And you can see one is marked red, one is marked green. The smaller one is the one that comes up the back here, and that's what goes into the ice maker. The other one will go in internally, and it goes up through here, and that's where there's a coil of tube there, and that's for your water. So if you're either not getting water to come out the dispenser, or you're not getting water into the ice, then it's probably these right here. Now if you don't have a water dispenser, then you'll just have one line, which would be for the ice maker. But when you go online to get the replacements for this, if it has both water and ice, the two come together. And again, they're not that expensive, and it's a much easier replacement than having to have somebody come out. So those are your basics for fixing a refrigerator, or at least diagnosing what could be wrong with it. Thanks for joining us here on the Pirate Handyman. If you dig what we're doing, hit that subscribe button down below and join our crew. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing. And if you hit that ship's notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new tip drops to help you become more self-sufficient and save coin for your treasure chest. Smooth sailing.